Neisseria gonorrhea. Now here we will talk about the only one species of Neisseria, that is Neisseria gonorrhea. The importance of Neisseria is that if we look at some morphological importance, then no doubt it is a gram-negative bacteria. But keep in mind that it's a gram-negative diplococci bacteria, means that the cells are cocci in shape, but there are two cocci representing one species. Neisseria gonorrhea is also oxidase positive, and they can be sexually transmitted from one human being to another, causing a disease known as gonorrhea. And chocolate medium, apart from blood agar, when we burn it, we make a chocolate medium. It is used as a selective medium for Neisseria gonorrhea when we provide special amount of carbon dioxide for incubation in this media. Apart from chocolate agar, there is a selective media known as thiomartin agar. It is used as a selective media for Neisseria gonorrhea. Then we can use a simple agar plate containing an antibiotic vancomycin, because here the nutrient agar will provide the nutrients to the Neisseria gonorrhea, while antibiotic inhibit the growth of unnecessary bacteria or of contaminated fungi. Now, Neisseria gonorrhea are actually non-motile, but they possess type 4 pili. Pili are the smaller projections as compared to flagella that does not help in motility but allow the bacteria to get adhere to the solid surface. This type 4 pili is so called because the importance is that they have the hook shape and they can grab them easily to the solid surface. Now, if we look at its morphological importance, then pili extends and get attached to the substrate. Once the attachment occurs, it provides signal to the immune cell and allow the bacteria cell to move forward towards the nutrient. Then another importance of type 4 pili is that it can pull 100,000 times their own weight. So from here you can judge the importance of type 4 pili. इसके अलावा ओपा प्रोटीन जो कि एक सरफेस प्रोटीन है, it is of significant importance in Neisseria gonorrhea because they have the ability to get bind to the receptors on the host cell and inhibit the host cell to develop memory response. Whenever we talk about the immune responses, the first step is recognition, second one is effector response, and the third one is the memory response that occur on re-exposure to the same antigen. But this OPA protein in Neisseria gonorrhea does not allow host cell to develop memory response against this bacteria. The genome of Neisseria gonorrhea, it is 2.1 megabase in size. It encodes 2,662 open reading frames and one plasmid as well. And we know the importance of pili in this bacteria as it helps to anchor onto proteins on the sperm by which the gonorrhea can be transmitted from one infected human being to another. गोनोरिया के ज़रिए 10% मेल्स और 90% फीमेल्स जो कि इन्फेक्टेड हो जाते हैं, they are usually asymptomatic, and in males they are of great risk because they are responsible for prostate cancer as well. इसके अलावा other symptoms associated with Neisseria gonorrhea or with the infections caused by it are conjunctivitis, urethritis, pharyngitis as well as prostatitis. Now, this is a sexually transmitted disease, so sexual partners should be completely treated with the antibiotics, but this infectious agent is resistant to penicillin, so we prefer cephalosporin to treat such patients. इसके अलावा नाइसेरिया गोनोरिया के अगेंस्ट अभी तक कोई इफेक्टिव वैक्सीन नहीं बनी, so limited by the lack of acquired immunity to infection. Now, if we aspirate exudates from the infected individuals, then what we found under microscope are the neutrophils or the immune cells or the phagocytic cells that has ingested the gonococci. अभी तक लैब हैजर्ड नाइसीरिया गोनोरिया की वजह से किसी वर्कर को अफेक्ट हुआ हो, इट वाज फर्स्ट रिपोर्टेड इन one of the lab of United States of America.